Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton served as the 42nd President of the United States, but he was not born by this name. He adopted the last name Clinton of his stepfather in his honor. He was in the office for the President of the United States from January 1993 to January 2001. Before that, he was the governor of Arkansas until December 1992. Before that also he was serving as the 5th Attorney General of Arkansas. When he became the President of US, he was just 46, which made him the third youngest President of US at that time. Bill and his wife Hillary Clinton are the members of Democratic Party. His name has also been linked with over 25 women in his entire life. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell button for more update. Biography. Real name William Jefferson Blythe III. Nickname Bill Clinton, the man from Hope, Bulba. Profession politician. Years active 1979 to present. Ethnicity white. Political party Democratic. Zodiac sign Leo. Date of birth August 19, 1946. Age 77 years as of 2024. Place of birth Hope, Arkansas, US. Residence New York, US. Nationality American. Religion Southern Baptist. Education School Ramble Elementary School, St. John's Catholic Elementary School, Hot Springs High School. College Georgetown University, University College Yale Law School. Education qualification graduate. Career. In 1978, Clinton entered the Arkansas gubernatorial primary. At just 31 years old, he was one of the youngest gubernatorial candidates in the state's history. Clinton has elected governor of Arkansas in 1978, having defeated the Republican candidate Lane Loy, a farmer from Texarkana. Clinton was only 32 years old when he took office, the youngest governor in the country at that time, the second youngest governor in the history of Arkansas. Due to his youthful appearance, Clinton was often called the boy governor. He worked on educational reform and directed the maintenance of Arkansas roads with wife Hillary, leading a successful Committee on Urban Healthcare Reform. However, his team included an unpopular motor vehicle tax, and citizens' anger over the escape of Cuban refugees from the Mariel boat-lived. Detained in Fort Chief in 1980, Monroe Sequarjulis of Kingsland in Cleveland County polled 31% of the vote against Clinton in the Democratic gubernatorial primary of 1980. Some suggested Squarlodge's unexpected voter turned foreshadowed intense defeat by Republican challenger Frank D. White in the general election that year. As Clinton once joked, he was the youngest ex-governor in the nation's history. In 2024, unsealed court documents revealed allegations that Clinton had visited the offices of Vanity Fair and threatened the paper not to print stories about Stephen's sexual trafficking. Former Vanity Fair editor Graydon Carter denied the incident ever took place. Family. Father William Jefferson Blythe Jr. Mother Virginia Del Cassidy. Siblings Roger Clinton, Sharon Lee Blythe, Henry Leon Ritzenthaler. Wife or spouse. Spouse Hillary Clinton, married 1975. Children Chelsea Clinton. Physical statistics and more. Height 6 feet 2 inches or 188 centimeter. Weight 87 kg or 192 lbs. Hair color white. Eye color grey. Distinctive features raspy southern accent. Net worth. His net worth is around 241 million US dollar. Interesting facts. In 1992, the Time magazine declared him Man of the Year. He was named Co-Man of the Year along with Ken Starr in 1998. He holds the unwanted distinction of being the first sitting US president to be sued, as Paul Jonas filed a lawsuit for having sexually harassed her 6 years earlier. When he lived as US president, the country had a substantial budget surplus. He was the first president in more than 50 years to have left the country in such a positive state. In 1972, Bill was appointed as a non-tenure professor of law at the University of Arkansas with a yearly salary of more than $14,000 US dollar. In November 1995, he became the first serving US president to have gone to Northern Ireland on an official visit. In 2013, US President Barack Obama honored him with the Presidential Medal of Freedom. At the age of 15, Bill decided to officially adopt Clinton as his surname in honor of his esteemed father, Roger Clinton Sr. However, he had been using it since his mother's marriage to him in 1950. Favorite things. Favorite movie High Noon, 1952. Favorite color white. House. Bill Clinton lives in a luxurious house which is located in New York, US. Social media profile. Facebook 3.6 million followers. X handle 13.1 million followers. Instagram 161,000 followers.